Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another interesting session on ServiceNow Studio. So please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So what I will be covering in today's session is like what is ServiceNow Studio, how we can install it, and what are the prerequisites for installing ServiceNow Studio in our instances, and how we can use it and view all application files inside ServiceNow Studio. Alright, so let's proceed further and see what is our ServiceNow Studio. So ServiceNow Studio is an exciting tool for developers where developers can view all application files together in a single view. What does that mean is like ServiceNow Studio simplifies app creation and maintenance, streamlines tool switching, and helps developers deliver outstanding experiences. As well as it leverages the AI-powered Now platform to enhance every stage of development process. Alright, so what are the benefits of ServiceNow Studio? We can build our apps and various things smarter and deploy it faster, create and develop faster, work seamlessly across projects, deploy changes with confidence, powerful search capability, recent files and bookmarks for quick access. Alright, so these are the benefits of ServiceNow Studio. So let's proceed further on how we can install ServiceNow Studio in our personal developer instance or any instance. So we will check what are the prerequisites for that. So a prerequisite for installing ServiceNow Studio. So our instance should be on Xanadu Patch 3 or later version. Alright, and we have a plugin name ServiceNow Studio SN_SNS in ServiceNow, and then we can start using ServiceNow Studio in our instances. Alright, so let's proceed to our personal developer instance and see how we can enable ServiceNow Studio and how we can see the view for ServiceNow Studio. So this is my personal developer instance, and now I will show you plugin details and how we can install it. So I will search here plugins. So you can see I will type here ServiceNow Studio. So now you will see there are multiple things enabled here, and you can see the product ServiceNow Studio here. So as soon as I will click here, and we will see whether this ServiceNow Studio is installed in our system or not. So currently it is already installed, and I am getting the option to proceed with update. Alright, so we will do that after ServiceNow Studio. Anyway, it is installed in this system. So you can search with SN_SNS as well. So this is the plugin details which is installed in this developer instance. So here you will get the install button, and you can click on install, and this ServiceNow Studio will be installed in instances. Alright, so our instance should be on Xanadu Patch 3 or later version. So I will show you what version my instance is right now. So we can see our version Xanadu Patch 3. So we are fulfilling the prerequisite for installing ServiceNow Studio. So now after enabling this plugin, we will try to search ServiceNow Studio. So now you can see this, there is a module created ServiceNow Studio here. So as soon as I will click on ServiceNow Studio, we will be having multiple option viewing while opening this ServiceNow Studio. This is the home page for ServiceNow Studio, and we can hide this application files or applications from here for more extended version of your screen, and we can just get all the application files here with related to specific applications. Alright, so now you can see this is our home page for ServiceNow Studio. So you can see we have recent files, what all files I have accessed recently, and we have bookmark section, what all applications or application files you have bookmarked here. You will see those details here, and under this you will see the file categories like server development. Under server development we have business rule, data policy, fix script, script include, and we will click here and we will get all the script include here. And if suppose we will try to click any one script include, it will try to open on this view of ServiceNow Studio. All right, so we have this app section where we can get the app list, and from this plus button we can try to create application or any file with related to scripting side, or basically the file which will be utilized in terms of creating some script or configuration. So similarly we have create button here as well, so that people will see it very easily because this plus button is very small. And here we can search what all things we need to search here, and we can activate our code search also here. You can see activate code search. So this is really good for our developing methodology for developers, because they can develop and see all the application files with related to specific application. All right, so through this button we can just hide this view and we can get in our view in an extended view mode. So we can see there is a home button where we are seeing recent open files, recent open applications, and resources from which we can try to learn other things which can be utilized under ServiceNow Studio. And under tool side we can see we have a combination of decision builder, flow designer, playbook, table builder, integration hub, mobile application builder. And under UI interface we have catalog builder, service portal, survey designer, UI builder. These all can be utilized under this ServiceNow Studio and can be used for your applications or application files which you are trying to generate. All right, so this way you can use those automation, integrations, and user interface kind of thing under ServiceNow Studio. And under deployment section we have update set and applications to be installed in later versions after modifying any application files. So we have deployment management and deployment tracker under this ServiceNow Studio. On backend we need to find lot of update set there, and we are getting lot of list there, but here we are getting a limited amount of list through which we can control our deployments. So yeah, so these are very good features which is provided under ServiceNow Studio. If I try to open any application, so I have opened this application and you can see there are a lot of things under this form section. What are the nodes, what is our form, how our list look like, right? So we can open these all things here and you can see our form, how it looks like, and what is the configuration done as part of this request. And we can make the changes accordingly to our needs. All right, so here we have roles also. So we have roles here, and we can try to generate our scripting also, like a script include or client script. We can see and view everything, how our application or application file looks under ServiceNow Studio, right? This way ServiceNow Studio is a very good product for developers for managing all the development work. So I think this will be a huge impact in terms of developers mode. So I think this is a very good tool which ServiceNow has provided. Thanks to ServiceNow team, we have got such kind of UI for building our application or application files. All right. Yeah, so this is all about ServiceNow Studio. So please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts, or queries related to this session. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.